Hi, I'm Faye. I'm the Education Outreach Officer for Sangam, and I'm in charge of the logistics for the Schools Takeover. This is our fourth Schools Takeover at Sangam, and we've had about 11 to 12 primary school children, all Key Stage 2, participate in a range of arts activities from Bhangra dance, disco freestyle, rap, and it's been an incredible week where children and young people have got to come together from different schools and participate in those arts activities. And it's been a little bit different this year because, as some of you may be aware, we're having work done at St Peter's House. So with the thanks from Carlton Bollin, who offered to use their sports hall in the first week, so that was really kind of them. And then the rest of the activities have taken place at Bank House. So it's a great week, and in this video you'll get to see lots of children and young people enjoying themselves and getting creative, which is awesome.
So today we've been doing some breakdancing with a fantastic lady who's done some great breakdancing with the children and then showed off her fantastic skills. And then we've just been working with Lance, who is a rapper, and again some fantastic YouTube videos that he's got going on, and the kids are really inspired with that, so really good.
We went to a dancer and he told us some dance moves and he told us some music that they do in Pakistan, and then he let us make our own dance routine.
Then we learned some dances and we learned new moves, and it really needs a lot of flexibility, and we learned new dances. It was a lot of fun.
We've come to a puppetry workshop and a dance workshop. So in the puppetry workshop, the children were creating their own puppets with pieces of card, string and some skewers.
Oh, lovely.
And some fancy bits to add to the collages.
Nice. We've seen some of the puppets that your children have done. They look really creative.
They were just, and it was so tranquil.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, it was so tranquil. The children were super engaged.
Yeah.
Children of all abilities were able to engage with activity, which was fab.
It was amazing, wonderful.
It was really fun.
Exciting and fun.